Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have yet another box to share with you. I feel like this month has just been mystery box overload, subscription boxes, and I've been wanting to bring some new ones onto my channel to show you guys. So today we are going to be unboxing the August Glossybox. I did kind of open this, but there's like the box inside the box, which I'll have to show you because it's super cute. So fun fact, I used to get like the Glossybox way back in the day, like 2013. I've pretty much an OG here on YouTube with subscription boxes, and I was probably one of the first people to do them, and now they've kind of taken over and a lot of people make videos on them. I haven't gotten Glossybox in a while, and they actually wanted to sponsor today's video, so I was really excited to be able to work with them and show you guys what is in the August box to see if this is something that you're interested in. It's kind of fun to see all the different subscription boxes out there and see what is going to fit your style and your taste preferences. This is how it came. It was really cute. You get the Glossybox, but then you open it up and it's like a wrapped little present, and I believe this is a special like packaging for their birthday box, which is so cute. So a little bit more about this box. This is a beauty box and it is $21 a month, and you're gonna get 5 items in here. I believe at least it used to be a mixture of full size and sometimes deluxe sizes, and the Glossybox has been around for many years. They're one of the first subscription boxes ever. It's really impressive that they've kept it up for so long. So let me go ahead and let's open up this box. Okay, so the first thing we have here, we have a $50 gift card to Vincero watches. There's a little ad bonus. And then we have, it says birthday edition, and this is probably going to be everything in our box, a little booklet. And then I did open mine because I wanted to see if there's anything I could like try on. This one does not have any makeup products in it, but usually they do sometimes have makeup. There's hair care, skincare, a variety of things. So it comes like with a little sticker here, and it opens up like a little gift, and then you have your products inside. The first thing I want to go over is this. So I was reading and I saw that Glossybox now has their own skincare line, which is really cool. So they're going to be putting out their own products, and they sent over the Eye Boost Cream. It says reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. It says that for Glossybox subscribers, this does retail for $18. So if you are a subscriber, you could get it for a discount on their shop, or for non-subscribers, it is $23. So this is the first chance to try their brand new skincare range. One thing I always look for when I get new eye creams is if it has fragrance, because I usually try to avoid fragrance in eye creams because it's not always good for the eye, but I don't see any on there, so that's good. So far the ingredients, they look pretty good. Let me go ahead and open this. So that's what it looks like. And it seems like it is a full size because with eye creams you really don't need a lot. Let me just put a little bit on my hand. I want to test it. Yeah, fragrance free. It feels nice and lightweight and just sinks right into the skin. So I feel like this would be a good daytime one. It's kind of a nice gel finish, so I'm excited to test that out. Next item in here, this is from Jekka Black. I am totally new to this brand. These are the Glow Drops. It says highlighting primer for face. It's vegan friendly and cruelty free in the shade Rose Pearl. And this is going to retail for $20. It says you can blend this in with your BB cream or foundation for glass skin goals. Let's see. So blending it in, this is kind of what it looks like. I could definitely see this giving total glass skin if you blend it in with the foundation. You could totally use this as a highlight on its own. It actually dries down really well, so it's not going to be sticky on the face. I'm actually excited about that. I think this could be a nice like liquid highlight to try, or like it suggests mixing it in with something, but it seems like it's pretty nice, good quality. Next up, I'm excited for this. We got some dry shampoo. This is by the brand Freeman, and this is the dry shampoo. It says deep clean with pink clay and peppermint, and this is for oily hair, which I have oily hair, so this will be awesome. This is a very inexpensive product. It only retails for $2.99. I believe the Glossybox usually have a value of $60, so they try to at least triple the amount that you're spending. So while this is a cheaper item, I'm still excited about it because I personally have never tried this brand. It says that the added peppermint in here is going to add a cool and refreshing sensation so you feel energized. And I believe this is not the full size too. This is a smaller size. Okay, we do have this hair product that is a full size. This is the Tangle Teezer. I've always heard about this. I always use the wet brush, so I've never tried Tangle Teezer, but I'm excited about this because I always am losing my hairbrushes. I like to have like one in my shower, one in my purse, one in my vanity, so I have hairbrushes all over the place, and I like these because they're supposed to be good for using on wet hair. So this retails for $12, so it is like a hard kind of plastic. But this is nice and travel friendly as well. And this would go well in the shower too. They did include this little extra in here. This is just a sample by Snowberry. It's their new Radiance Face Serum. This says it's going to hydrate and soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles to enhance skin's radiance. And then the last product on here, this is a lip balm. It's so cute. This is from the brand Rebels Refinery. It's their soothing lip balm. It says 100% natural, and it must be the wild berry scent. This one uses vitamin E, coconut oil, and also beeswax to lock in moisture. I love the packaging. It's a cute little heart, and it's like that rubbery texture. I don't know. I love how this stuff feels. And then you twist it open, kind of like an EOS balm, and it looks like that. Smells really good. And it seems like it's going to be pretty hydrating. So this is a full size and it does retail for $7. I'm really excited about this. I'm a sucker for lip balms. I love trying out different ones, but this one seems like it's going to be promising. Okay, so that is everything in the August Glossybox. We did get quite a bit of like other beauty products. No makeup this time, but like I said, they do usually have makeup. I'm really excited for their new skincare line, and on the back, I just wanted to show this because this is always really popular with them. They do an advent calendar, and it says that it's back already on Tuesday, September 24th. So I might have to mark that date down and order one. But it says it's going to feature 25 of the hottest makeup, skincare, and hair care products you've always wanted to try from some of the most iconic brands out there. Looks adorable. So I definitely want to try that advent calendar. Also a little bit more about their skincares in this pamphlet that I wanted to go over. It says, simple, effective, no-nonsense skincare. Love that. Affordable, easy to use, eco-friendly, cruelty-free, and natural. So honestly, I have really high hopes for this. The skincare line looks like it's going to be really good. So I'm excited if I continue to do this box, if I'll get even more skincare products from them, because that would be amazing. But that is it for this box. I just wanted to go over a few things with it. And if you guys are interested in this, I actually have a discount code with them that they offered for this video. So you can get 22% off, which is a pretty good deal if you use the code Leah22. I'll have the link in my discount code down below. So let's see how much that will make it. So you should be spending about $16.38 if you want to try that for your first box. I think that's a pretty good deal, and I believe you could still get this current box if you guys sign up now. So I thought I would bring you guys a new box today. I do have a couple more coming this month, which I'm really excited to show you, but I will go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.